Hi everybody, wonder the difference between the new 24-inch iMac, the internal audio, and an external mic like the Rode NT USB mic? Well, we're going to find out, coming right up. Hi everybody, I help people overcome their tech with tips, tools, and products. It's time to geek out with Jason, and today I have a versus video, a internal mic test with the new iMac and the Rode NT mic. So you definitely want to check that out. And in the description below will be where you can get all these fun products, especially the new M1 iMac and the NT Rode mic USB. So definitely grab yours while they're hot and on sale maybe down below. So this right here all along has been a test of the internal mic of the new iMac. It sounds pretty good. It's crisp. It's clear. You may not need the Rode video mic. And as always, like, subscribe, hit that bell if you're getting value. But this is how the quality sounds on the new iMac with just the microphone installed. Now we're gonna snap my fingers, and we're gonna go into the Rode mic. All right, so this is how it sounds with the Rode NT mic, the USB. Usually they're $99. Definitely check in the description below if you want to buy yours. It's pretty nice. The quality does sound different, I believe. So question of the day, let me know in the description below if you like the iMac audio, that internal mic, or do you like the Rode NT mic? I think this does sound better, and it's $99. I don't have a boom shock, so obviously I'm holding the mic as I talk to it, which I do not recommend because you want to be able to show your products off better and have your hands free, and this is kind of heavy, honestly. And don't forget, check out up there, I have a tutorial on how to get sticky notes on iMac or Mac, so check that out. See you later.